Hey everybody, it's Miss O'Leary, and welcome back to Number Corner. So we had kind of a long weekend since we didn't have school on Friday. So I'm just going to look at the different leaves. We're only going to record the 26 stuff on our Number Corner grid observations. Because it's okay sometimes not to write all of our patterns down, because we can always refer back to our calendar grid. So I know our last day was October 22nd. 2020. So I'm going to flip over the 23rd. See what leaf we have. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. So think in your head, what do you notice about this leaf? I notice the color of the leaf, the orientation, the leaf type. So I notice that it is a palmate leaf. I notice that it's green in color. And I notice it's right side up. I also notice that it's very similar to leaf number 7 on our calendar grid. So that was our leaf from Friday. So if I flip over 24, I remember on one of our assignments, a student, Max, had a prediction 24 was going to be black and white. Because if you look at our patterns that we see, it goes like this. You have a black and white leaf, and then it goes 1, 2 colored leaves, and then a black and white leaf. Another example, for the 18th of October, we had a black and white leaf. Then we had 1, 2 leaves with color, and then we had another black and white leaf. So here we go. We have 1 colored leaf, 2 leaves with color, and so let's see what 24 gives us. We were correct. It was a black and white leaf. Also notice that this leaf is upside down. And it's a pinnate leaf because it looks like a feather. So it's upside down too. Very cool. So we figured out our Saturday leaf. Let's take a look as I erase what I just drew. Let's look at Sunday's leaf. So we know it's not going to be a black and white leaf, right? Because we just had one on Saturday. We're looking at the 25th. What is this leaf going to look like? I also noticed that leaf on the 24th was upside down. So what do you think? Is the 25th also going to be upside down? Anywhere in our calendar grid, does it go upside down in a row? Does that happen 2 days in a row? Excuse me. So let's take a look for the 25. Nope, it's right side up. It's a brown leaf. It's also a pinnate leaf because it looks like a feather. I also know that we don't have a palmate leaf, and we have a bunch of leaves in between to get to our next palmate. So we're going to wait a while before we get to that one. So that's 25th. So now let's take a look at October 26th with it, which is today. So I'm actually going to type the date just so we always are practicing writing our date. Today is October 26th, 2020. Oh my goodness, it's the last week of October. Where did the time go? So if we look at our chart, we have the date, which is the 26th right here. We are going to figure out the color, the orientation, the leaf type, and if it's odd or even. So right now, even without thinking about it, do you think that 26 is an even or odd number? Now remember, our chart kind of got mixed up here because we skipped a few days in between. We skipped the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th. So we don't have much time left in my video, so I'm actually going to flip. I'm going to flip our leaf for the 26th and write our observations. Beautiful leaf. Beautiful. So I'm going to write that it is a yellow leaf, that it is right side up. Actually, I think it's a palmate leaf, which might throw